Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and Pabbly Connect. CNAME is available. You can have FlipLinks on your own subdomain. Introducing FlipLink.me TLDR. Turn your PDFs into online flipbooks with FlipLink. Customize, analyze, and share how they perform at a glance. Best for marketers, photographers, real estate integrations. Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Pabbly Connect features GDPR-compliant white label CNAME over. Customize your FlipLink. You can customize your FlipLink URL along with your logo and background of your choice. You can also decide which control buttons to show. Customize your branding for even greater creative control of your assets. How to make a FlipLink. Turning a PDF into a FlipLink is simple. Convert. Upload your PDF file and FlipLink will automatically convert it into a stunning flipbook. Customize, add a title and logo. Choose the background and add a custom URL. Share it as a link, embed it on your website, or publish on social media. Track. Check how your FlipLinks are performing with Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, and Google Tag Manager. Embed your FlipLink on your website with ease. Why FlipLink? Give life to your PDFs using FlipLink. FlipLinks make your PDFs marketable, magnificent, and enduring to your audience. Lead generation has never been easier thanks to FlipLink.me. Embed on your website. You can embed FlipLinks on your website using a simple embed code. Share it as a link no matter where your readers are. You can share your FlipLink with them. Crisp vector fonts make reading a breeze. Get access to FlipLink.me now. Plans and features, deal terms and conditions, lifetime access to FlipLink.me. You must redeem your codes within 60 days of purchase. All future plan updates, award badge, 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. Features included in all plans: custom URL branding options, control customization, password protection, lead capture forms, call to action button, advanced settings, embed in website, right to left flip feature, vector text quality, save templates, background music, auto flip, language change.